Hey loves, let's get into this collective haul.
I'll start over here. I got some stuff from Aldi. If you don't know, I love Aldi. That's one of my favorite grocery stores. I love their Aldi Find section. You guys probably see some videos, like shorts I take, showing their items. They have some really good items for affordable prices. And as you guys know, I'm a beauty enthusiast, makeup artist, just a freakly obsessed. I seen on my Facebook group that they were coming out with palettes, and I picked up 3. I am gonna review them. So I got the smoky eyeshadow palette. So I have this one, but this is more like rosy tones, pinks, mauve shades, very pretty. This is more like taupes, silver, and then I'm interested to see how black this black is. So this is more like the beiges, and there's that purple. So there's all the shades. It's so nice they come with a brush. I got those, and then they also had concealer. So when I seen these, I instantly thought of Tarte Shape Tape. For a bold coverage concealer. He's giving me coverage as far as my under eyes, discoloration, canceling out that hyperpigmentation. This is shade 6. And then I picked up like a contour shade. This is shade 7. Shade 7. So I'm excited to try those out. Got this. This is a mango wood and marble Christmas tree serving plate. This thing is so heavy and it's such good quality. It's really heavy, and this was $10. And I actually went to another Aldi's today to get a few groceries, and I seen someone like put it back at the register, and when I was checking out, I was like, can I buy this? I just turned around and I just seen it, and I was like, I have to get this, because they were completely sold out. So I'm so thankful I have this. I'm gonna put it like behind on my backsplash, right at my stove. It's very heavy, it's very good quality. I just love it. I feel like this could be a year-round serving plate, not just during the holidays. So those are my finds from Aldi's. Love this stuff. And I didn't even say, the palettes were $5.99 each. And I believe the concealers were $5.99 each. And this serving plate was $10. And then next up is Sephora. I just got a few things from Sephora. I got these cotton pads for like makeup removal. I haven't tried the Sephora brand. I always get like Shiseido, or I have my Garnier reusable pads. But sometimes I just like having these. And then I'm excited for this. This is the Refi lip liner, or it's called Lip Scope. And I got sepia. So excited to try this out with you guys. And then I just got a black pencil, just to have something quick to put in the water line and just smoke out. I haven't had this in a long time, like years. I remember back in college, I used to buy Kiehl's like when it was on sale, when I could. I picked this up. I love the smell of this. It's so nice. Such a nice facial oil. I love Kiehl's. Such a good skincare brand. And then I picked up the Kosas Sport deodorant. I think I actually talked about this on a TikTok. I love this. This is a serum deodorant that don't have antiperspirant. So this is a really good one. It doesn't have you smelling. It's really good. And it lightens up your underarms. And then last but not least from Sephora, I got one of the Urban Decay 24/7 shadows, and this is in tease. So this is similar to my favorite shade from them, Buck. It's just a taupey brown, ashy brown. This is like the perfect everyday color. that I like to wear, and then just pop it lightly with a fluffy blending brush on my lid, so it's not super apparent. Just gives a little bit of pop, a little bit of color, but it kind of matches my natural eyelid color. And then I just blend it into my bronzer. I love this. So I had to get this single shadow. So that's my Sephora haul. I got Bath & Body Works, so I did get a couple candles from them when they did their candle sale for $10. I got the Fireside candle. I really don't shop at Bath & Body Works for candles like I used to, but I just wanted to get a couple. It just gives you that fall, winter smell. And then I also got Twisted Peppermint, but like repurpose it because it came completely shattered. So I could probably buy like a glass bowl or something, or I'm just gonna return it and get a new one. Items. So I got this hyaluronic acid. I actually have this now, and I just wanted to repurchase it. I really like it. I love the bottle, and it's $5.99, and this is made in Korea. I've never tried anything for Taraji P. Henson's hair color line. I noticed at this Marshall's, they had a lot of hair products, but I just try to pace myself because I just bought some hair products and I don't want to become like a product junkie again. So when I buy stuff, I really try to push myself to use it. Like, it's got to be something I love to buy. So I picked this up because I needed another heat protectant because I may blow out my hair and do like some long curls. This was $5.99. And then, oh, this is my favorite thing. I seen it at the checkout. The checkout always gets me. I got this cute makeup bag. How cute is this? I thought this was so fun. Like, I could put my everyday makeup in it. I mean, me thinking about it now, I'm like, this thing is gonna get so dirty, but I just feel like it's so cute. And this was $10. Yeah, those are the items I got. So happy with them all.